Hello everyone, I am Halashama Faith Avenido, and for this video we're going to talk about anti-differentiation. And at the end of the discussion, I am going to give 5 examples for you to know more about anti-differentiation.
What is anti-differentiation?
Antiderivatives are the opposite of derivatives. An antiderivative is a function that reverses what the derivative does. Well, the antiderivative of a variable raised to the constant is gonna be that variable raised to the constant plus 1 divided by the constant plus 1 and the plus c, which is the constant of integration. So that's how we could find the antiderivative of a variable raised to a constant. Now for the example number 1. Let's find the antiderivative of 3x squared. So let's rewrite the constant. And now the variable raised to the constant, that's x squared plus 1. We're going to add 1 to the exponent of x squared, so it's going to be 3x to the 3x squared plus 1. Then we're going to divide by the result, so it becomes 3x cubed divided by 3. And this gives us the original function x cubed. If we're going to reduce this, plus c, which is the constant of integration. And that's the answer of the antiderivative of 3x squared. So for the second example, we're going to find the antiderivative of x to the 4th power. Same thing as we did to example number 1. We just simply add 1 to the exponent, which is the 4. So it's going to be x to the power of 5 over the result of 4 plus 1 is 5 plus the constant of integration. So it's x to the 5th power over 5 plus c. That's the answer of the antiderivative of x to the 4th power. For the third example, we're going to find the antiderivative of x to the power of 7. Same thing as we did to the previous examples. We just simply add 1 to the exponent, which is the 7. So this is going to be x to the power of 8. The result of 7 plus 1 is 8. Then plus the constant of integration. That's the answer of the antiderivative of x to the power of 7. For the fourth example, we're going to find the antiderivative of 6x to the power of 9. So add 1 to the exponent. So this is going to be 6x to the power of 10 over 10 plus c. Now this one, we can reduce 6 over 10. If we divide both numbers by 2, that becomes 3 over 5 x to the power of 10 plus c. So that's the answer of the antiderivative of 6x to the power of 9. Now for the last example, let's find the antiderivative of 8x cubed. add 1 to the exponent. It's going to be 8x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Same thing in the example number 4. We can still reduce this number. If we're going to divide both sides by 4, it is going to be 2x to the power of 4 plus c. So the answer of the antiderivative of 8x cubed is 2x to the power of 4 plus c, which is the constant of integration. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.